In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can log out untrusted devices from your TikTok account. This is crucial for protecting your privacy and security. It prevents unauthorized access and misuse of your account, safeguarding your personal information, content, and interactions from potential threats or malicious activities. To do this, simply head into your TikTok. On your profile page, tap on these three lines and head into your settings and privacy. On the settings page, select on this option of security. Head into the second option of manage devices. You will see all devices that have access to your TikTok account. To remove untrusted devices, simply tap on this delete icon next to the device you want to remove. Tap on remove and that device will no longer have access to your TikTok account. This maintains better control over who has access to your TikTok profile, reducing the risk of unauthorized usage or breaches. That's how easy it is to remove devices that have access to your TikTok account. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.